Hey everybody, it's Steve. Welcome back. Today we're going to deal with another issue with the Toyota Camry 2006 model year, although there are a number of years that are similar. We're going to replace a brake light today, but while we're doing it, we're going to demo also the turn signal light as well as the third brake light that's up in the center of the rear window. So luckily, this is something that even I can do. Alright, so access to the lights is actually pretty simple. We just need to get into the trunk, so let's pop that. Alright, so access to the lights is just directly behind the brake light setup here. And you'll see there's a little panel, and it just pops open with, there's just three little, I don't know if you call them latches, right there. That opens up like a little door. And then you can see inside where you'll have some wires that go to a modular plug. Okay, so in this particular housing right here, there are actually four different lights. Your backup light, then the rear tail light, you have your brake light, and then your turn signal. So the top one here is for the brakes, and so we're going to turn that just about a quarter turn to the left. It'll stop, and then you can pull it forward, and then you have access to the light. Alright, pulling the light out of the socket doesn't require anything other than a little bit of strength. So you're going to try to grab it from the base of the plug itself, not the bulb. If you grab it by the bulb, it might pull the bulb apart. And it is a little bit tough, so you have to rock it a little bit to get it out of there. And there we go. Okay. All right, putting our new bulb in. We're just going to slide that in the same way we took it out. Just push it in, make sure it snaps tight. Then we're going to slide it back into our hole. You'll see on the plug itself some grooves, so you'll know that it has to line up. And then it's going to be a quarter turn to the right. All right, and then close your door, and you are all set. Alright, so our third brake light is inside of this housing, which we will access by just giving it a little push to the left. It might need a little tap, and then once you've done that, a lift and pull towards you. Now it will be attached to the car with a wire. It has a modular plug on the end of it. Go ahead and remove that modular plug so that it's easier to switch out the light. Okay, so here we have our light housing. And to get access to the bulb itself, it's again a quarter turn to the left. The light will then come free. Pull the light bulb out of its socket. Again, be careful not to damage the light. Just grab it by the base. And then we're ready to put in our new bulb. Link below. And there we go. You will see a little triangle on the fixture. Line that up with the circle, and then we'll do a quarter turn to the right, and then the triangles will line up on both. Next, we'll reinsert our modular clip into the housing. Next, we'll put the housing back into the rear deck of the car, and then lastly slide it to the right and lock it into place. And that is it. Okay, that's it for today. I hope you found this video helpful. We do have links down below for the lights that apply to this particular 2006 Toyota Camry. And if you found this helpful, please hit that like button. Please subscribe. And until next time, this has been Steve for Things That Even I Can Do.